y'all. So I am trying out for the first time Morphe's Supreme Brow Gel. I'm gonna do the laminate brow. Give it like a more natural, fluffy girl look. I've never used it before. I am a Morphe stan. We are gonna give this baby a shot. I'm gonna pair it up with my micro brow pencil by, again, Morphe, in the shade of I think I'm Chocolate Mousse. Yeah, Chocolate Mousse. And this is how the gel looks. All right, y'all. Let's get a little closer. We're gonna put this and get a little bit of, ooh. I was told you gotta kind of like brush it all through your brows. Oh, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna start lining and filling in those sparse areas with my micro brow pencil, and we're just gonna start to fill in some of the sparse areas. It's not really gliding on the way that I would want it to. Alright, so I wiped it off. I'm gonna start over. We gotta get this right, y'all. I may end up having to switch to a pomade, but let's hope not. Alright, so we're gonna grab some concealer. I was able to get the brow done. I tried that. Please don't be too pink on my lips. I tried that jaunt twice, and it didn't work. It did not work, child. So I gave up. I refuse to be defeated. I'm going to give it another shot, maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, Friday. I'm going to try. I'm gonna try my best to get this to work for y'all. And if it don't work, Saturday we taking it back. End of story. Thanks.